get a big present. Yes. Hi, videos. It's David the Gamer. We have been live. Yes. Let's do it. Thank you for 30 subscribers. Yes. Thank you for 30 subscribers. 30 subscribers are a lot. And I can get on the next date. I gotta get to 20. I gotta get to 40. After next up, I'm going to get 40 subscribers soon. I'll get 440 subscribers. 40 subscribers soon. 4. So we can play together. Nope. And 31 subscribers. David the Gamer have 31 subscribers. Yes. You do this. Let's get a power construct. You can be in my great powers that you do. Thank you for 30 subscribers. And oh no, I got 32 subscribers. And I got 32. I got 30 subscribers. And turning to 32. And make sure you subscribe to this channel. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. And thanks for the more of the contestants. More of the contestants. Subscribe. So we're gonna get to 4 next. 40 is coming next. So hit the subscribe button and hope you enjoy. Well, I got 33. Turn Oh, I got 33 subscribers. Nice way. There's a lot of subscribers. Next up, we get a perfect kind of new subscribers. And make it to 34 subscribers. Bye now.